Yo, what's up guys? So we're gonna go for a forest run. We got the POV camera and this camera, which is what we're gonna do to take some pictures. So we're just heading over, so see y'all when we're there. Alright, so we have made it. We are at Chemong Park, Township of Selwyn. So you guys are gonna see a couple switches in between the Insta360 X4 and this camera. This one mainly can be for when we are kind of doing right now, like entering. And this one for when we're actually going to take some pictures or time lapse or whatever we want. So yeah. All right. So we are currently walking in these woods. Pretty nice. Pretty good colors. Very nice, calm. Lots of bugs and everything. So yeah, we'll switch to POV, I think. And yeah, let's go. All right, there we go. So we're in POV now. Let's get this camera. Maybe go down this water. Oh, there's some pretty big steps, eh? Here, let me set my camera down for a second. Perfect. So now I can put down this POV camera when I need to. That seagull there. Oh, didn't see that. There's a lot of them. Might be a little overgrown, but it's okay. This water looks so nice. He's a fisherman, so we'll go around him, around them. There's a lot of fishermen here. There's a lot of them. Yeah. We'll go back up here and yeah, I'll catch you guys when I'm up. Right, a little hike later, we're all the way up. So, to go more adventurous already, we also a clear path. We'll go here. Oh, there's a squirrel. Should we try the squirrel? Oh, I don't know where it went. I guess not. See where this leads to. It's a little steep. Where's that bring us to? That'll bring us down there. That's it's a little much. We'll find a way to go around that. I want to get a picture first though. We don't have any yet. So I'll have to get something while the cicadas are loud. those things fly. They're everywhere. There's another one right there. Okay, after a little walking, I found this. So let's try it. Maybe kind of like a macro of this. It'd be kind of cool. Or sleep right here. Awesome. Let's keep walking. It's my goal, find like cool, maybe like animals. Maybe there's a chipmunk. I don't know. You never know. Or something cool, like any wildlife, or you know, wildlife. Maybe some like mushroom. It's a nice path that leads to there. Yeah, so we'll go towards here. Look at that tree there too. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. It's people jet skiing. It's really hot out. It's like 32 degrees Celsius, so wow. So either we can go down, straight left, straight right, or all the way right. All the way right looks like it goes to the house. I want to go look down here. Wow, almost slipped. Be careful. So yeah. Anyways, we'll head down there. Sounds like there's a dog or some people there, so we shall respect them. Wow, look what we just found. A hole in there. That's cool. People on the other side there, so we'll respect them. Let's see this little hole. That's cool. That's really cool. So yeah. Alright. Back up, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. Smells so nice and fresh out. Take a little break. If you guys see anything that I miss, let me know. Maybe I'll come back, look for it. Who knows? Kind of looks like that goes to a property. We'll see. Look at those berries, wild berries or something. Pretty nice, pretty nice. It's really hot. This is really quite a steep hill. There's some people there. Let's check out down here. Go to some water maybe. Maybe these stairs could be quite a nice shot, like an old kind of vintage looking shop. Like abandoned. We'll try. Doesn't hurt. And doesn't cost anything. Okay. Alright, and got that shot right here. Okay. Got water, that's very nice actually. It's nice and cool. So we have either way we can go here, which will bring us kind of back, or here, which will bring us, I don't know where. Or we can go back up the stairs on a different path. Maybe we'll check out what this where this will bring us to. Maybe it'll bring us somewhere cool. But maybe probably not. Wow, it's slick. A couple people, we'll just ignore them. Go around back up here, I guess. Looks like a nice path. A couple people there, yeah. So this will be a little short, but also I don't think too short. So, pretty cool. I'm aiming for maybe 10-20 minutes-ish. Yeah. Right, look what I just found. Found like a teepee kind of thing. That's pretty nice. It's a bit of poison ivy around here, but chillin'. We'll take pics of this. It's really, really cool, actually. Let's get a little closer. Maybe a shot it from inside. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's keep going. So I do see a couple houses coming up. I'm not sure how much further we can go up. I might try and head back because I don't know how far I can go from here. And yeah, we are back. We just did a tick check. No ticks on me, luckily. So, oh, got some kind of mushroom there. We walked through a spider web. That's pretty cool. I know Sophie, if you're watching this, you'll be able to tell me what kind of mushroom it is, or whatever. It's a lot of what's it called? Like spider webs and stuff. So yeah, here it is. It's got some pics. It's like flat, kind of white. Let's check. I'm kind of doing this with one hand, so please consider that. I'm waiting to get like a chest mount for the Insta360 X4. So I don't have to, because right now, let me show you guys what the POV camera is. Let me record vid quickly on the camera. Hold up. All right, so basically, it's the Insta360 X4. That's basically, and we have it on a single lens mode. That's basically our POV camera. So you guys got that. So that's what our POV camera is. So we are recording at 4K 60. So we can either go up there or through here. I don't think this is the way we took going here. I think that's what will lead us to the road, and there's houses there. So we will go this way and see how it is. It is really hot, so don't forget to hydrate when you guys do this. I got a water bottle in my bag, so we're good. Put on some sunscreen because it's really hot. Don't want to get sunburnt. So yeah, let's keep going. Okay, so we did actually take this path. Remember? We had this. This is where we took that first picture right here. Coming up. Right here. So we won't go back to the fisherman. We'll go up this time. A little higher. So unfortunately, I don't see any birds, squirrels, chipmunks, which kind of is a bummer, but can't ask for too much. You already have this. Wow, this fresh smell of pine cone or pine needles. So amazing. Nice fresh smell. So you can go up there, brings us back to the road. Go through this, which will bring us a little further. So we'll just go through here. So I guess this just brings us here. So go through here. Was hoping for maybe more. So just for that, we're gonna take a picture of all these pine cones right here. We need to get quite low for this. So yeah, these could be really nice pictures right here. These pine cones. If we even need to, we can move them, but no real need for it. Really, really nice. Yeah, not much more. A lot of it has been blocked because there was a storm not too long ago and a lot of trees got knocked down. I don't think anybody did anything here, so can't do that much. So yeah, let's get back onto the camera for the rest of the video, I think. All right, we are back on the Canon camera. We are gonna put this thing away when we get home and start editing. Yeah, pretty good. So if you guys do kind of enjoy these more kind of nature-ish kind of videos, maybe like longer platform, just leave in the comments because I'm glad to do more. It does take a lot of work to do. Like, you got to edit the pictures you take, you got to edit, especially me using two cameras, this camera and the Canon we're recording on right now. It does take a lot more time because you got to edit everything, you know, colors, whatever, audio. Got to sync up the audio with the microphone. And yeah, at the end, it's not too bad, but longer videos can take more. So yeah, like, I have no problem doing them, just not as many. I know I don't post too much already, which I'm trying to do more. I just spent a good amount on one on this camera. It's an Insta360 X4. That was about 600 bucks. And this microphone is the Rode Go, something close to that. So yeah, we are currently out officially. We got a couple more kind of things. So yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, there you go. Maybe we go down here, check this out real quick before. Still got a bit of time left to go. Get that. Sorry if there's any background noise. Now there's a person with a saw, so it is what it is though. Is this where the fishermen are? I hope not. Shouldn't be. Should just be another water area kind of thing. Can probably go down to the left a little more. But yeah, just let me know how you guys enjoy these. Willing to do more when I have time. Look at that view right there. Wow, that's pretty bright. But yeah. Wow, there's a lot of bugs. Some water. Pretty cool. Yeah. Let's get back to our way home, I had found a pretty cool plant. Wow, there's a lot of bugs here. So maybe we could find it. It's kind of purplish. Here it is. Take a couple pics. And yeah. All right, so we actually got those two right there, right beside each other. Beautiful. So yeah, we'll go ahead, head home, edit these, and yeah, let's go. All right, so basically home. If you guys did enjoy, like, subscribe, comment, and if you guys want like to see more pictures or videos, put my Instagram and TikTok in the comments. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Have an awesome day.